Alright everybody, I'm going to do a little quick video right here, and you can probably hear the dogs barking in the background. I'm at the person's house doing this. I'm going to be changing a ground cable because it ohmed out bad. The ohms on it was, resistance was like 14 ohms I think it was, and I think it calls for anything needs to be less than 6, I believe it was on this. This is a 2011 Tahoe. And they were having some electrical issues, like the blower motor would do its own little thing, like it would cut off and on and all that stuff. So we got a new one. If I can get it to come off. So it's a 10mm on the battery. Then it's got like a little sensor around it. Should be the battery sensor. If I can get it to come off. Well, we'll worry about that in a minute. And then right here on the cylinder head, I believe that is right there. It's kind of hard to see it, but I believe that's a 13 or 15. I'm going to say 13. Let's try 13 first. Nope, not a 13. I was wrong. And she is tight as I cut myself. Yay. That's your bolt right here. That just threads into the head. See if we can fish this out of here. And then there's another little ground also that goes to the body or the frame. I'm gonna find out exactly where it goes. Let me grab a flashlight. Alright, so the other little wire is right down here, and it runs down and attaches to the frame, and I'm going to pull that off real quick and then pull it off around the battery sensor, which is right there. I'm touching it right there, sorry. So let me go ahead and disconnect it from the frame, and then once I get that and get it out of there, I'll bring y'all back. So here's the old one. I actually had to cut the wire because it is pinched between the lower motor mount or body mount on the front for the radiator support and the frame, and I believe that's probably what's causing the ohm issue. The location of this end right here is right beside the front body mount or radiator support mount, and it is held on with a 10mm, and it's kind of a hard spot to show you, but let me see if I can get you down in here. Alright, there's your motor mount, and then it bolts right there on that side. I know it's kind of a weird angle, but about the best I could get y'all in there to show y'all this. And it feeds all the way from the battery down to here. So I'm going to go ahead and reinstall it, and then we should be good on that. And I'll probably go ahead and recheck it, make sure that the ohms are good. We got it all back together now, and we have it on the battery, and we do have it back on the cylinder head. right down there. And then we have it down on the frame underneath. And here is the part. We got a standard part. It is A32-2UTC. That is it right there. And I want to check the ohms and everything and make sure that that's good, but I'm probably going to end the video right here just because my battery is about to die on my camera and I don't want to overdo it and y'all miss the ending of it. But I'm going to end it right here. If there's any questions, comments, concerns, please let me know. I did hook up the battery sensor back up and retape that also, and I'm going to zip tie some of this stuff down, just make sure it doesn't get on any of the exhaust manifolds. But like I said, I'm going to end the video here. If y'all have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them in the comment section below and I'll get to them as soon as I can. And if you enjoyed the content, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And until next time, y'all have a great day.